what's up, Divera family?
Guess what? I'm going home today.
Wow. Exactly 2 weeks niya dito sa hospital.
2 weeks and 1 day.
Yeah, kasi Thursday kami pumunta sa emergency nun. So, ang tagal namin inantay itong araw na to dahil simula nung na-hospital si Grayson ay sobrang hirap nung sitwasyon namin dahil drive dito, drive doon, lalo na kapag may pasok si Manong Chris and then may day home si Asher. So, yeah, kung kailan nakalipat nga kami dito sa single room, uuwi na kami. Thank God na rin dahil makakauwi na kami. Hopefully, si Grayson, i-take niya na ng oral yung kanyang medication para matanggal na yung tubi niya sa ilong niya. Yeah, yung pagbabago ngayon ni Grayson, medyo tumataba na yung pisngi niya, tsaka yung chan niya medyo lumalaki na. Super hungry all the time. And yun, iniiwasan din natin siya na magsuka.
I miss camera and my toys and Google.
Google, yeah. So, yung camera and Google, guys, yung camera is yung sa kwarto niya. Yung kwarto niya kasi may camera na pwede kami magsalita doon. So, pag nagsalita kami doon, natatakot siya. Pero ngayon sabi namin, it's nice now kasi na-miss na siya nung camera. And then yung Google din, natatakot siya dati doon kapag ka nagta-turn on. So, yun, na-miss niya. Gulat ako kanina, umiyak siya. I miss Google. Binanggit niya lahat ng gamit namin sa bahay, lahat ng mga yung lagi nang ginagawa, lagi nakikita. So, binanggit niya lahat habang umiiyak kanina. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong oras tayo lalabas ngayon. May inaantay kanina.
We're waiting for paperworks.
Oh, okay. So pagkalabas namin dito, susunduin agad namin si Asher kasi dinap off ko kanina sa daycare. Okay, show your bracelet. Where did you buy that?
Nowhere.
Who made it?
Mommy.
Where's mine?
He's on here.
Yeah. Mommy is 60 years old.
Just made a bracelet. Why? My latest bracelet, but I messed up on this one. But yeah, so if you wanna buy it, it's $5 only.
Wow. Yung mga ibang kaibigan namin kagabi, nakaabot sila sa pagdalaw dito. And yung iba naman, nagsabi din na hindi makakadalaw kasi sobrang busy sa trabaho. Pero naiintindihan naman namin yon. Miss niya na yung kama. Ayaw na yung kama dito sa Kasi everyday, pinapalitan ka rin ng bedsheet. So, yeah, buti na lang din yung bed na binili namin is like, bumili kami ng sheets ni Grayson. Pero hindi pa naman siya matutulog sa kwarto niya, right? Okay, it's up to him. Pero syempre, kailangan natin siyang mag-focus sa kanya. Pero if ever matulog naman siya sa bed niya is, meron kaming binili na yung parang waterproof na sheet. So, kasi madalas mag-leak yung kanyang diaper. I don't know why. Siguro sa IV niya yun, right? IV and drinking water. One time nung natulog ako dito, parang sa isang gabi, 5 times kami nagising eh. Nag-leak lagi. You're still eating? Are you doing mukbang? Oh, what do you want to tell them?
So while we wait for the papers to come from the doctors, I'm going to quickly pack everything up and bring it to the van. And this guy, you guys, we need prayers for Christian.
Hey.
Char. So I'm gonna pack. And
What?
yeah, I'm gonna pack.
You're gonna what?
Fuck you. High five. High five. And that guy is still eating over there. Okay, we'll update you guys. Manong Chris said I look like I'm getting fat again, so I'm not gonna eat for the rest of the week.
Ready to leave? Okay.
What should I put this in the circle one?
Yeah, in the circle one.
Oh, your iPad and your toy.
Yeah, Daddy, you're too fast.
I'm excited to go home. Come on, guys. Goodbye to your bed. Goodbye, bed.
My bed, old little bed.
Cold a little bit. He said, bye, bed. It's cold a little bit.
What about your...
Oh, your balloons too. Non-stop eating, huh? Okay, bye, room. Thank you for 2 days. Guess who's home?
Yahoo!
Are you home, Kuya? Yeah, and this guy too. Oh, show him. Jump, jump. Go. Oh. So we are finally complete after 2 weeks. Yay! What? What?
Go.
Thank you.
This guy. Walang kapaguran to, guys, oh. Ay, ay, ay. Nauntog pa yung ulo niyan. Kakatakbo. Last tog. Sige. And good! Guess who's bagong ligo? Hey! Oh no! Later, we're not done. So, ayun. Oh no! Matutulog na siya sa kanyang bed. Uminom na rin siya ng gamot.
Shooting! Shooting! I'm shooting! I'm shooting!
Di kasya yan, boy. So, naligo na rin ako. Inayos ko na rin yung mga labada. Itutuloy na lang ni Aling Huling yung iba mamaya. Papatulogin natin yung mga bata. And yeah, tignan natin ngayon yung unang gabi ni Grayson na dito sa bahay kung paano ba.
First night in 2 weeks that he's not gonna be bothered with blood pressure.
Yeah, yung walang gumigising sa kanya, gano'n. I mean, kasi nagigising siya sa tuwing kinukuha yung vitals niya and yung mga, hey, stop throwing that. So, yung dulo ng kanyang tubey, so yung tube na yan, is may ganito. So, dyan pinapasok yung gamot. Hindi yan nakasalpak sa ano niya, guys, sa balat niya. Parang bulsa lang yon nung dulo. So, nilalagay lang sa damit yun. Para hindi niya mahatak or like pag wala siya sa hospital. So, yeah.
You want water?
So, yan ito na camera. Yan yung camera na sinasabi namin, guys. Ayun na say hi. Say hi na, Kuya. Say hi. So, ito ang kanyang bed. Miss your bed, right? Miss your bed? Inaayos ni Aling Huling yung bed ni Grayson kasi gusto niyang matulog na ano, kasama ako. Eh, hindi kami kasya dun sa baba. I mean, kasya naman kami, kaso masikip na. Nung wala pang sakit si Grayson noon, yung ginagawa namin, tatlo kami nandun sa baba. Siksikan kami. Pero ngayon, binaba na lang ni Aling Huling. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey, Ash, you sleep there.
What?
There.
No!
What? No.
That's what the
That's Kuya's bed.
No.
So if you guys notice that Gray is a little bit more moody than normal, it's another side effect of the steroid. It's gonna make him a little bit more moody than normal, which is,
Yeah.
we'll see. So far, he's not too moody, but it's only like day 8. So we still have 21 more days.
Stop it!
And the effects will just
21
get
more days lang.
of the steroid.
Hanggang 29 days lang yan. And then
But
after that,
after,
yun na
we
lang.
don't know what's after the 29 days. Yet. They haven't gave us a schedule for that yet. So on the 29th day of his treatments, they're gonna take bone marrow out again, and they're gonna check his cancer cell levels or the leukemia cell levels, and if it's in the place that they want it to be when they check it, then we can proceed. But if not, I think they're gonna give us a different treatment plan. I'm not sure yet. I'm not too sure. That's what I remember anyways. So guys, let's just keep praying that everything goes how it's supposed to go. And keep encouraging Grayson to take his meds because he says he's scared of his meds and he doesn't want his daddy to do it, only mommy. Very particular. You are so hyper. No hitting, please.
Thank you, nurses.
Thank you, doctors.
Thank you, doctors. Thank you, family.
Thank you, friends,
Thank you, friends.
for visiting me.
Thank you for visiting me.
Thank you for the gifts.
Thank you for the gifts.
Thank you for the
You have
treats.
to come here, please.
Say, come visit me.
Come visit me.
I'm just here.
I'm just here.
So we just want to say thank you in these last 2 weeks to everyone who came to visit Gray, who reached out. I know we haven't gone around to message you all back because it's still pretty fresh and new and we're still adjusting, but we'll get around to that soon. And thank you to our families, Christian's mom, Tita, Ate Shirley, Kursasa, my dad, Lola Siming, Tito Marvic, Lola Becky, Tito Andy, all of my aunts that came, my uncle, to Karina and Mitchell as well. And also to Ate Ainsley and everyone who helped lighten the weight in the past 2 weeks, especially with this crazy guy we needed to find someone to look after him while I was in the hospital with Gray and Manong Chris was making money so we don't drown.
Hey, what money? Why are you laughing?
So yeah, we want to thank everyone who helped us in the past couple weeks. And also to my work. Thank you to my employer and my colleagues at work because they were super understanding about the situation. And I hope to be back soon so we're not in the poverty line. Charot. He made me say everything because he doesn't want to talk anymore.
Yeah, I'm so tired, man. Pero yeah.
Oh, and thank you to
What?
Christian for being Grayson's dad.
No, we have to thank Aling Huling because hindi siya umalis sa tabi ni Kuya Gray.
Only for a few hours.
Yeah, just to shower kasi most of the time may kasama kami doon kaya ayaw niya mag-shower doon. Pero yung solo na, nakapag-shower na ako. Nag-shower ka ba doon?
No.
Ako lang pala nung natulog ako doon tapos diretso ako sa work. So anyways, yan, what Aling Huling said. Thank you guys. At sa mga nagpalakas ng loob namin. Thank you.
You guys gave us so much food, I gained 3 pounds.
Hindi na ubusan ng pagkain si Aling Huling. Okay guys, see you na lang ulit sa next update natin para kay Kuya Grayson. And yeah, keep praying for him. And this will be over soon. Okay, paalam sa inyo! Say bye-bye, Kuya! Say bye! Bye, Ading! Ay! Say bye! Peace!